Today we talk about how can you enable sub charts on your Webull app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on chart settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to sub charts, just click here in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean here sub charts enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,